How to activate Cash App card if it's not working. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So the probable reason could be that you might have ordered your Cash App and the card has arrived but you have not activated it yet. For that, just simply go to the card section and you can find it at the bottom. Just simply click on it. After that, you will be able to select the option of activate at the top. Just simply click on it, and this way it would ask you to scan the QR code or the card, and you can also do it without scanning your card by providing the CVV number at the bottom of your card, and this way you would be able to activate it. And the card is not working even after doing that, then you have to contact the support, and only support will be able to help you out in this way. So for that, just simply open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner, then scroll down, and over here you will be able to find the option of support. Simply click on it, and here just scroll down till the very end, then click on this option of chat. After that, just explain your reasons or the problem why your card is not working and how long it has not been working. After that, the support will be able to help you out and get your card to work, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.